breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Modi seems to be playing truce maker in Northeast. Sources say the Prime Minister met BJP MPs from Assam on the Assam-Mizoram border situation. Mizoram Governor K. Hari Babu also met Prime Minister to discuss the border tension. Mizoram Governor said that the centre is trying to maintain peace. He's going to be meeting Home Minister Amit Shah in the evening as well. Assam BJP MPs are learned to have told Prime Minister Modi that the Congress is trying to foment trouble in the border state. Meanwhile, ice seems to be melting between the two states. An FIR filed against Mizoram MP has been withdrawn after Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma issued orders. Assam Chief Minister said he wants to keep the spirit of Northeast alive and is committed to ensure peace along the borders. Himanta, however, said that case against Mizoram police officers will be pursued as per the law. Mizoram earlier hinted at dropping the case against Assam Chief Minister. Paulami is now joining us for the latest. Paulami, walk our viewers through what's going on. The Prime Minister has stepped in. Is there any kind of signs of truce that we're picking up at the moment?
Well, two meetings happened. One, of course, the Mizoram governor called on the Prime Minister earlier this morning. It was a courtesy call. He will also be meeting the Home Minister in the evening at 4:30. He did say that the government of India is playing a proactive role in trying to diffuse the tension on the border between Assam and Mizoram. Meanwhile, BJP MPs from the northeastern states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura and others, in fact, met with the Prime Minister a short while ago. They presented to him a memorandum where they said that considering that both chief ministers of Assam and Mizoram are working to reach an amicable solution as far as the border dispute is concerned, the Congress, they believe, is stoking fires and is playing politics in the region, which needs to be stopped. So that was their petition before the Prime Minister.
Thanks, Paulami, for getting us those latest details right there. We'll keep going back to Paulami for more on this issue. For now, leave it at that.